This is not moving really fast. You can see the forward motion about 12 miles per hour. That's about an average forward speed for a landfalling hurricane. And unfortunately, Alex is a very large system. So the rainfall in some areas is only about half over. So as much rain as some areas have had, it could have almost as much over the next half of the storm to pass over that location. So right now the winds are maximum at 100 miles per hour. It has just a little bit of time left over water. Don't know if the winds will come up just before landfall. The aircraft are still out there. The pressure very low, 948 millibars, very low pressure. But again, the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale is just that, a wind scale, and it's category 2 based on the 100 mile per hour winds. Let's take another last look at the visible imagery. Every few minutes we get a visible image, and you can really see the eye of Alex and the thunderstorm tops bubbling over, especially when the sun goes down in the west. Then the shadows from the thunderstorms right around the eye wall really stand out. So this is really an incredible picture to see the core of the hurricane just about to go onshore. And of course, this band right up here is going in just south of Brownsville. This might have some sustained hurricane force winds in it as well. So again, Brownsville catching a break. The center of circulation coming ashore roughly 100 miles south of Brownsville, and the hurricane force winds only about 30 miles or so south of the border. Hurricane warnings remain in effect, but the greatest threat for hurricane force winds is in northern Mexico, where the core is going to come in. But wind impacts still could extend well into southern Texas, and of course we've been saying all day that we could have some outages likely in the Brownsville area, and that has been occurring, and then a little bit more of an impact from the wind farther to the south. Rainfall, a big problem. The core of the hurricane is going to produce a lot of rain also, but the bands extending well to the north of it is going to throw all kinds of rain into this mountainous area of Mexico and into the Rio Grande Valley. So we're going to have an immediate flash flood threat as well as a long-term threat. So in that white area, a grave threat for flash flooding, but over the next few days we could have a river flood event in the Rio Grande Valley.